Yes. Hi, good morning to all, and welcome to it's a demo session of the Python training. So myself, Nagarjuna Vadlakonda. I have 11 years of IT experience. I'm a working guy. Moreover, not only Python, I will providing the trainings on the cloud, especially Azure cloud plus PowerShell. And come to the Python, even if you are thinking Python is only for developer, no, the answer is wrong. Why? Because Python is in two areas. One is developer point. If you want to survive as a full stack developer, it's a one option. And same time, the same Python here we are going to learn, or we are generally we will use this Python as a scripting language for the automation. It is very famous. The simple reason is a only simple reason. It's not a platform independent. It is not a platform independent. It is a completely platform. Sorry, it is not a platform dependent. It is platform independent. Independent. So the meaning is very simple. Example, if you take the shell script, for example, Linux, only for that is Linux environment only. If you take the PowerShell, it is only for Windows point only. But if you learn the Linux, if you learn the Python, it will work on any operating system. Same concept only. And this is a area if you want to plan like a full stack Python developer. So here you will get the Python core and advanced only. Even that is going to start from completely zero to a advanced level training you will get from here. Sir, very clearly I'm saying that one straightforward. If you want to like learn the full stack developer, core and advanced Python is not sufficient. Again, you need to learn the frameworks also. That frameworks is not included here. It is purely complete Python from A to Z, complete one. If your plan is I want to survive like a Java developer, full stack developer, like Python developer, if you want to survive, definitely you need to learn one framework also, which is not here, not included. That is a different course. Like even I'm not going to provide any frameworks from my end, but that is a suggestion. Like if Django, Flask, these are the available frameworks. Even if you are learning the Python from my end, whatever you are going to learn, that is a core and advanced. This will be helpful to you if you are working on the cloud environment. Even cloud means you belongs to DevOps or networking people or Azure cloud, especially AWS. I included here. We are going to play AWS cloud by the Python by the one of the module Boto 3. One of the module Boto 3. Here we are going to use it. Example. Generally, portal is, we know very well the AWS portal is different. Like if you go to the AWS portal, one second. But consider today we don't know anything about the, one second, what is the issue? Console.aws.com. Yes. No, sorry, it is wrong one. I think I'm missing the password. Okay, the simple thing is whatever the services you're regularly creating by the portal, the same thing I want to create by the command line, that is by the Python. That is a target. Example, if you want to create a VM, generally I'm AWS point. If you know the AWS, this will be, you can easily understand. I want to create a virtual machine. How to create a virtual machine? Easy to instance. Generally, we will use this portal. But once we good at Python, how we will implement that one, we will learn here. So if you learn this course, this will helpful to you in two areas. And these core Python and advanced Python definitely which will helpful to you in your IT career. This is not only for full stack or not only for the cloud. If you good at this 80 hours course, 80 hours course, this will helpful to you in every environment. And come to the course point, and simple, no prerequisites. Believe me, just join. I'm going to start from zero. So to learn this course, is it any mandatory things are required? No. Just attend 4 to 5 sessions. You will get the clarity about how the process of learning is available in this training. From completely zero, I'm going to start completely from the zero. Like we need, you need just at least one Windows 10 machine or 11 or 7. Any one of the machine, I mean laptop or desktop is required to learn this course. Daily 1 hour timings are fixed. That is a 7 to 8 p.m. IST. It's a weekdays batch, Monday to Friday. It's a live training. By using the Zoom meeting, we will attend. And remember, every live session after you will get the daily recordings. Whether you are attending live or not. For example, you are attending day 1, day 2, day 3. Will I get the day 1, day 2, day 3 recordings? Definitely you will get complete cumulative recordings. I mean, same link, for the same link every day you will get the recorded sessions to linked mail ID. You don't worry about the recorded sessions. I will provide to you with a download option. There is no restrictions for that. You can download it from day one onwards. But give the priority for the live. Here, to learn the Python, first of all, it is easy. All members will tell that Python is easy, but that is wrong. I'm not misleading to you. Why? Because Python is easy. Up to which level? Up to print action. If, for example, if I'm telling print high, definitely this will work. This is very simple. This is very simple if you compare with other languages. Print high. But Python, you're learning only printing high for entire Python? No. So definitely here also every concept is there, especially OOPS concept, object oriented programming language. Definitely it is important. But the comparing with other languages, Python point syntax is very easy. Code reusability is highly available. Yes, I mean we are going to spend almost 20 days time only for the data types. Like if you create a variable, example, if you create a variable, what is the data type and how to identify? These 20 sessions will helpful to you a lot. I mean that are integer, float, boolean, and complex, and fifth one is none. These we will call as a, I'm using some terminology, but today this is a first session, you cannot get that one. I'm just giving to you what we have inside of our course. I'm trying to explaining to you what we have inside of the course. Yes, even lot of proofs are available. Even just example. Before going to explain the course content, you can take multiple. I mean, after every live, generally I will share the recorded sessions. Just to give me, I will show you some recorded session, even running best. Oh, it is not Python. Wait. Okay, this is a one batch. This is purely only one batch. There is no again morning batch, but you will get daily recordings. Even if you miss the sessions, you can follow them. This is a one running batch. Just now it's session number 48. 48 completed. Have a look on this concept. Just have a look on this concept. Started, if you see, you are able to see 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these are the data types. These are the key factors, guys. If you good at this data types concept area, see, up to session number 17, you can able to see the data types information. So if you good at these data types, I'm going to list out. Maybe these words today is completely new for us. STR and list. Even if you are planning to learn the DevOps like YAML scripting, especially Ansible point or Kubernetes point, same data types will be involved. Yes, tuple, and especially this is a one important dict and set, frozen set, bytes and byte array. That's all. If you good at these 14 data types, you will get the clarity on the Python. I will say 10% you will get the clarity on Python after learning this. Then we will start the yes, conditional statements, looping statements. Simply, telling that one. If I want to print 1 to 100 numbers, 2 to 200 numbers, to learn these type of things, no need to come to this Python training. That is also available on YouTube and different blogs also available. A different way you are going to learn here. I'm saying to you, print 1 to 10, 10 to 1. What is the use of that one? Just it will increase the logical thinking in your point. But what is the use here? So how to learn the course perfectly? The proper plan I have in this one. And moreover, every weekend, Monday to Friday, we have a regular session. And Saturday, Sunday, on Saturday, you will get the assignment up to 30 sessions. At a initial level, 30 sessions, you will get the assignment. Every weekend, you will get the assignment. Monday to Friday topics. Upon that, you will get the assignment. Right? So mainly here, first one data types. Next one is operators, especially what is the assignment operators, arithmetic operator, and general operator. Even you are comparison operators are there. Just equal, not equal, greater than or equal, greater than, and less than or equal, and less than. It seems to be very simple. But our intention is not on numbers. We are going to see in different way. Again, I'm saying same word. It is like repeated two times. So third one is a functions concept, guys. Here total we have a six type of functions are there. I will give the guarantee these type of content of the six type of functions not available on any website or any another area. Even I'm not criticizing any other thing, but functions we are going to learn a different format. If you see example, if you see here like 32 up to 30, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. Almost I took 7 sessions only on the functions. Only on the functions. Even the learning of the functions also, we have a different way. Like what is the positional parameters, mandatory parameters, and keyword parameters. What is a 1 star, 2 star? The syntax point I'm talking. Don't worry about that. Even if anyone having the idea, you can easily catch what is a star arguments, double asterisk arguments. That's why I'm repeating this word. So it's a functions. See, it's a one session 33. Just have a look. Really, my words and the training are both are same. I'm trying to playing this video. Wait. Okay, but everything depends on your first 14 data types only. Without first 14 data types, we cannot learn any technology in this one. So then after, I'm specially introducing to you 25 modules in this training. Module means someone already written the code. Just you have to use it. Just you have to use it. Example. See, for example, now this is a Python ideally. I'm opening. I'm doing something. Import OS. Where is my present working directory? I am on somewhere. I will switch to my directory. Generally, we will use C directory, CD command. Okay. Now see, I'm going to opening the folder from Python. Just have a look. In front of you, I'm opening the Python D folder. See, something is blinking in the bottom. If you see, blinking, something is blinking here. Something is blinking here. Example, I want to create a folder here. Folder 99, I want 19, folder 99, I want to create it. See how simple I'm going to create that one from my Python code. See, OS mkdir uh, folder 99. That's all. Your folder is ready now. If you see closely, definitely the folder is available to you. One second. Yes, last one. In the last one, you can able to see folder 99 is available. Just example I am talking how to work with OS module. Like that, here one of the module is OS, like sys module, time module, date time module, Boto 3, especially for this for AWS automation purpose, and regular expressions, Paramico module for the networking people, Selenium module for testing point. Yes, and even like that, we have a total 25 modules are added in one course only. One course only. Very immediately, first we have to learn the OS module, which is one of the mandatory thing to work with the files and folders and file permission. You are learning this one only for Windows. No. Learn Python, you can use on any platform, even that is Mac or Windows or Linux. Anywhere it will work. It is not a platform dependent. It is a platform independent. Your Python is. Right. So after this one, we are going to learn the open function. So how to create a file by the Python. Guys, try to understand. General printing numbers, conditional statement loops, if it is available on any technology. I'm not mismatching to you. The fact I'm telling that one. I want to create a CSV file. I want to create a JSON file. See, for example, in the D directory, how to create a CSV file. For example, naga.txt. I want to write some data file, file dot write, file dot write good morning. See, file dot write. If you see there, is there any Naga file? Yes, we have the one file. Good morning is there. Are you able to see here? Naga file just in front of you I created here. So how to create a normal file? How to create a CSV file? Everything with the help of the modules. Modules concept only. Right? Open function is a key factor here. How to write a normal test file, how to create a CSV file, how to create a JSON file. Recently added Excel files also, one of the important concept sheets. Previously, I took only one session, but I'm extending this topic in this time. And then after these Python up to here, whatever you I explained as of now, that we will call as the core Python only. Outside market, this total we generally call advanced also, but they will add one more concept, OOPS concept, object oriented programming concept, like class and object approach. It's a one of the biggest and powerful concept. Without object, there is no programming languages. But really, your Python is a programming as well as scripting languages. Two areas it is available. Why? Python internally we have a compilers and interpreters concept is there. That is the architecture of Python area. You will get the clarity. So how to create our own data type? In above screen, we have 14 data types are there. Like that, how to create our own data type and what is a class and object? Class is nothing but your, for example, your 12th standard original certificate. Original certificate. This type of example I will provide to you. First, I need to create a good idea on the subject. Okay, class means your 12th standard inter certificate or 12th standard version certificate, mask memo. Object is nothing but 12th standard version copy is there, na? Original copy. It's Xerox or one copy. I mean, Xerox copy, Xerox copy. Its Xerox copy is a object. So you can take number of Xeroxes. Number of Xeroxes. That is nothing but you can create number of objects once you have a class. And second element is here. One more thing I'm going to not I'm going to add modules concept, modules and packages. It is one more powerful topic. How to create our own module depend on the project. How to create our own module for the automation. This is a second component in the advanced Python area. Advanced Python area, right? And then after, yes, in this area only 24 modules you are going to learn in this course. Just have a look on the course content. One second. Not here. Yes, we have on the desktop. Try to see the complete content. Why? Because the words, whatever we are informing in the day one, that should we have to follow end of the trip. Yes, this is a completely 75 to 80 hours training. So is it scripting language or programming language? Why we have to call and who is the technical mind behind this technology? And Python syntax is general one only, guys. In this nothing. And modules, how to create like a OTP mathematics related operations. Yes, the data types, operators. This total together, I said simply operators. What is the input function? By default, why input function is taking the input in the form of string? What is a typecasting? Input function generally is in the C language like scanf. Scanf means accepting the input from the user. I can write 100 lines of code in the demo session, but what is the use? Simply, see, if you write a input, enter a number. See, enter a number. For example, 25. Y, enter one more number. What is your expected answer if I do the addition of these two numbers? What is your expected answer if I do the addition of these two numbers? A general question only.
55.
55. But the fact is, see, it is going to do the concatenation. So what is the use of the typecasting here? Now typecasting is a key factor here, converting one data type to another data type. The reason is very simple. Your input function always read the data in the form of string only. See, even you are asking enter a number, user will provide 20 example. There is a one function is there, type. Yes, that will give to you what is the data type. The nature of the input function always it is read the in the form of string only. And the command line, one line in actions, inline expressions, control statements. Yes, these are the four control statements. There are two loops. Again, they are divided as a four parts. Actually, I written three. For else, while else. The two are extra we need to add. Total five in this area. I written three only, total five. From for else, while to while else is there. And what is the use of these special keywords to control the loop in our hand? How to use these statements? Yes, and same data types information, list, nested list, tuple, the four, whatever I define the 14 data types. For that, I'm going to take 20 days time. And functions, yes, this is a area we will enjoy a lot. And finally, what is the lambda function? Return keyword, how to use it? What is the use of the general functions, map, inbuilt functions, which are. Then in the advanced Python, you will get the modules clarity, how to work and how to install external modules, exception handling, how to handle the errors. So this is a extra course, regular expressions. For example, you are working on a cloud, you need to monitor one log file which containing 2 lakhs records or lines. You need to find out one IP is repeated how many times in that file. You are in a completely in Python. Python is working on Linux. It is not a GUI approach. So regular expression, simply. Completely regular expression is a different course. It required to learn the basics of the regular expression. We need 3 hours class to understand only regular expression. I am not combining regular expressions with Python. Even regular expression is common in PowerShell, Linux, your .NET, Java, anywhere this regular expression is common. That component I am taking in this training. Then file management, yes, CSV, JSON, how to create that one, appending, log file working, and modules point. OS module I am introducing in the core Python only, not in the advanced Python. And apart from that one, these are the modules you can expect here. And remember, your introduction to pandas and NumPy. Why? Because how to read the two-dimensional data, data science related information, pandas and NumPy. But pandas and NumPy also one different course. Here, I'm going to take a master class pandas and NumPy. I mean, 3 hours master class. First of all, NumPy is important, then pandas. Okay, the two things we are going to learn in this area. And these are the 25 modules. It is not a 1 minute or 5 minutes concept. Every module, if you take the OS module, generally it will take 4.5 sessions only for understanding OS module only. And how to work on the networking socket module, how to connect a remote server, how your WhatsApp chat is working, and how the encryption is working behind that, and connecting the databases. Practically, I will explain. Even if you are a Windows developer, sorry, Windows administrator, you know the importance of the development objects for the reporting. Windows Management Instrumentation. Number 17. I want to get complete my machine operating system information or disk information. So development classes information. Let me try to execute in front of you. Import development, development dot sorry, development Win32 logical disk. There is a one class is there which will gives to you 1 second. Space indentation unnecessarily we are using. For I in print I. See, complete my disk information. If you see, I've written some logic, but the logic is not a secret thing. See, it is a drive information H, it containing this is a size, and in that free space information, we can convert MBs to GBs, GBs to MBs. Everything is possible. By default, if it is, for example, you can take this is a MBs is available. How to convert it into GBs? So concept is very simple. See, just divided by 1024. If it is MB, it will convert as a GB's concept only. So these 25 modules are a unique one. And how to connect Windows to Linux machines, Paramiko module. Tickenter for the how to create the GUI based applications. Right? I said Boto 3 is a key factor here. And how to work on the Boto 3 with AWS automation. Here I am not going to introduce, I am not going to explain any AWS course in this one. Already, if you know AWS, like EC2, VPC, you will learn Python pin to pin here. I mean, scratch to advanced, you will learn. So, then how to use the Python for my AWS cloud? Really, now huge demand is there. You can search Boto 3 module, Python with Boto 3. There is very less people upon this technology. Even there is no proper training on the also. Even 1 hour, 2 hours training, it is very easy. But how to implement the what is a session client and another one is a resource paginators, waiters, collections. If you know these 6 components by the Python to manage the AWS in both of three total 6 topics are there. I'm not talking easy to IMR S3. In both of three, 6 concepts are there: session, client, resource, paginators, waiters, collections. If you know these 6, you can work with any type of service. And open function also important to work this, right? And finally, Git automation, how to work on Git with the help of the Python that will be included here. right? So that's all. This is about the complete course content, and it's a total duration. Already I said it's a 75 to 80 hours. And then after, see, the mode of the registration. One second, give me 1 minute. So it's a registration process. The total fees is 3,000, and this is a number. After the payment, you can please send your payment screenshot to this provided number only. Then I will add your number to one special WhatsApp group. Mostly I am planning to start this session from Thursday onwards. This Thursday onwards, I'm going to start the regular sessions. Thursday onwards, we have a regular session. Once if I add your number to the one special WhatsApp group, after your payment, from there I will communicate, I will share the meeting ID, other details to you. Right? So this is about the course, guys. Is there any queries you can ask me? Yes, any queries?
Yeah, hi. Hi, Nagarjuna.
Eh,
Ravi here.
Yes, Ravi.